Hello everyone and welcome back to our new episode.
For today's agenda, I am going to show you how to convert degree to radians and radians to degree.
But first, what is a radian and degree measure? Basically, it is a two-way measure of an angle.
Now let's proceed to the formulas. In converting degree to radian, we just need to multiply it by pi over 180 degrees. Then in converting radians to degree, we just need to multiply it by 180 degree over pi.
To help you learn more, here are examples on converting degrees to radians.
Well, hello there! Are you one of the cuties who had a tough time in converting your degrees to radians? Are you looking for an easy and quick way to understand the process on converting it? Well, this is your lucky day as I will teach you on how you can convert your given degrees to radians. So let's start! 90 degrees. Now you might have been wondering, does converting our degrees to radians need a complicated formula to follow? Well, the answer is no. You only need to multiply the angle measured in degrees by pi over 180. Right after that, you're going to grab your calculator and proceed on the process in converting our degrees to radians. Now we're going to input 90 degrees multiplied by pi over 180 in our calculator. But if you don't know how to get the pi symbol in your calculator, then I'll show you how. Just press Shift and this button which shows x10 raised to the power of x, and there you have the pi symbol already. Now let's proceed in converting our 90 degrees to radians. Input 90 degrees multiplied by pi over 180 in our calculator, and there we get the answer of 1/2 pi radians or pi over 2 radians. And that's it. That's how easy it is in converting our degrees to radians using our calculator. But what if you don't have a calculator with you? Then don't worry, as you have Suzanne Lantaka to introduce you to that process.
Wow, thank you for that, Miss Aliakwan. And I'm Suzanne Lantaka, and I'm also here to teach you guys on how to convert degrees to radians. Now, let's go back to Miss Aliakwan's question. What if we don't have the use of our calculators with us when we are solving for this equation? Let's find out. Would it still be very simple and easy? Well, of course it would be, because I am here to teach you guys. So the first step that you will remember is just to continue to multiply the angle measure in degrees by pi over 180. So let's take these as our example. So 60 degrees times pi over 180 degrees. You just have to cancel these out, and after that, multiply them. 60 pi over 180. Is that the answer? No, we still have to simplify them. This would be pi over 3. And that would be our final answer. Pi over 3 pad.
How about you try converting these degrees to their corresponding radians? 330 degrees would be 11 pi over 6, and 270 degrees would be 3 pi over 2. If you got it right, then let's proceed with converting radians to degrees.
Yo, it's me, Keith and Yana. Just keeping it for real, I don't like no drama. So come watch and learn and you will see how to convert the given radians into degrees. It's pretty simple, you just need to multiply the given radians by 180 over pi. Now let's take a look with these other examples.
Convert 5 pi over 6 radians to degrees. Now for us to be able to convert radians to degrees, it is pretty simple. We would just multiply the given value of radians to this value. 180 over pi. This is essentially required, or is the value that you would need to multiply to the given radians in order to convert it to degrees. Now, what we're going to do now is just we're going to simplify. This would become 5 pi. Now, we would multiply this by 180, so this would become 180 multiplied to 5 pi over 6 times pi would be 6 pi. Now, Since both have pi here, we can simplify this. Pi divided by pi would be 1, so we can cancel this out. And since 180 and 6 are divisible, we're just going to divide them in order to simplify. So this would become 180 divided by 6, it would be 30. And now we have left 30 times 5. Now, we are already almost done in converting radians to degrees. So 30 times 5, that would be 150 degrees. Now we have just converted 5 pi over 6 to degrees.
So we have just converted radians to degrees. Pretty easy, right? Because converting radians to degrees is so pretty easy. Easy to be done by you and by me. Now let's take a look with other examples in order for you to master this skill.
Oh, hi there! So you are done watching to Anyana's video on how you convert from radians to degrees using the equation of 80 degrees over pi radians. So now, I'm going to show you another examples on how to convert from radians to degrees.
To convert 8 pi over 3, all we need to do is to multiply it by 180 degrees over pi radians. So to start solving, we need first to simplify the two values, and it will become 180 times 8 pi over 3 pi. Since the 2 pi is equivalent to 1, so we're going to cancel at these two. So now we are going to multiply 180 by 8, and it will become 1,440. I left 3. 1,440 divided by 3 will become 480 degrees.
Now try converting these radians into their corresponding measures in degrees.
Converting radian and degree measure is not complicated as long as you remember their formulas. In converting degrees to radians, you multiply the given unit by pi over 180, while in converting radians to degrees, you multiply it to 180 over pi. That's all for today's lesson. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and till next time.